Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. A very warm welcome to you all to enjoy today's online class. I am Muhammad Amdad Hussain, assistant teacher, Uttar Gumdandi High School, Boalkhali, Chattogram. Subject English first paper, class 9-10, unit 10, lesson 4. The name of the lessons, They Had the Dreams too. Today we will learn about a great man, Zahir Raihan. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to tell some new words or vocabulary, explain about Zahir Raihan's works, choose the best answer, read the text and answer the questions. Now, I am going to introduce you some vocabulary. First one is filmmaker. Filmmaker, the man who makes film. Talented, the person who has extraordinary quality to create something new. Talented, the person who has extraordinary quality to create something new. Freedom fighter, a person who fight for the freedom of his country. আমরা বাংলায় বলতে পারি মুক্তিযোদ্ধা, যারা দেশের জন্য মুক্তিযুদ্ধ করেন, they are the freedom fighters. Movement, activities to fulfill the demand or agitation. Activities to fulfill the demand or agitations, বাংলায় আমরা বলতে পারি আন্দোলন. If we are to gain something, we have to attend movement. Through the movement, we can fulfill our demand. Genocide, kill the numerous people at a time. Killing mass people without any reason, আমরা বাংলায় বলতে পারি গণহত্যা, which happened at the time of our liberation war here in Bangladesh in 1971. Democratic, democratic means the participation of mass people equally. আমরা বাংলায় বলতে পারি গণতান্ত্রিক. Here I have some other vocabularies such as legendary, fanciful, very well known, সুপরিচিত, like a man, Zahir Raihan, as a singer, Michael Jackson, etc. Atrocity, atrocity means cruelty, brutality, নিষ্ঠুরতা, বর্বরতা. Appreciate, admire, praise, প্রশংসা. Collaborator, Collaborator means a person who works jointly on an activity or a mission. Assistant, partner, সহযোগী. At the time of our liberation war, the collaborator was Rajakar, Al-Badr al-Shams, etc. They are the collaborators of Pakistani military. Now conspiracy. Conspiracy means a secret plan by a group to do something unlawful and harmful. Another word may be plot, intrigue, chokranto. Capture, the action of seizing someone to take into the custody. Another word might be arrest, catch. বাংলা আমরা যাদের বলতে পারি গ্রেফতার. Dear students, in the meantime you have learned some of the vocabularies that will help you to understand the whole text while you reading the text. Now we will learn about Zohir Rayhan's some important activities throughout his life. I am going to discuss Zohir Rayhan's some important activities throughout his life. First, he took part in the language movement in 1952. You can see the picture. He also took part in the mass movement in 1969. He took part in the mass movement, যাদেরকে আমরা যেই আন্দোলনটাকে আমরা বলতে পারি গণ অভ্যুত্থান বা mass movement, which was happened in 1969 in Bangladesh at the time of pre-liberation. He also joined the Liberation War in 1971. You can see some picture at the time of our Liberation War. In the past picture, you can see some of the people standing on the tank, and another picture some of the martyred freedom fighters or mass people in the war. Now I am going to tell you about his dream. He always dreamed a free country and a democratic society. He has also another dream to develop our film industry. I repeat, his dream was to build up a democratic society, a free nation, and to develop our film industry. Now you can see some of his good works, some of his famous work. In the first picture you can see a picture of a legendary film জীবন থেকে নেয়া, and in the second picture you can see one of the most important documentary, Stop Genocide. জীবন থেকে নেয়া was his one of the legendary films based on language movement. In this film, he showed Shah's a barbarous character that was similar to Pakistani autocrat government. Actually, the film was a miniature of Pakistani rule by an autocrat. In the second picture, it's Stop Genocide, which is a documentary made by Zohir Raihan. It's a very famous documentary. This documentary played a very important role to create world sentiment in favor of our liberation war in 1971. Now, I am going to show you Zohir Raihan's some activities. Zohir Raihan was born on 19 August in 1935 in Feni district. He was one of the most talented filmmakers. He was present at the historic meeting of Amtola. He was an active worker of language movement. He took part in the mass movement. He also took part in the Liberation War in 1971. And lastly, at 13 December, he missing and never returned to home. I'm going to tell you some other informations as well. He participated in mass movement in 1969, took part in the Liberation War, took part historic Amtola meeting, etc. He also took part in the language movement. He was a very famous filmmaker. His best documentary was Stop Genocide, which helped us to create world sentiment in favor of us at the time of our liberation war. Movie based on language movement, it was Jibon Teke Neya. And lastly, Missing Scenes on 30 December 1971. Dear learners, now I am going to introduce you some source of the best answer from the alternatives. The word genocide means death, mass killing, movement, self-killing. Answer is mass killing. B. Zohir Raihan was imprisoned for taking part in the Liberation War, taking part in the mass movement, taking part in the language movement, for making a film. The answer is he was imprisoned for taking part in the language movement. Zohir Raihan was killed on 26 March 1971, 21st February 1952, 14 December 1971, 30 December 1971. The correct one is 30 December 1971. Number D, Jibon Theke Neya is a legendary book, legendary film, great novel, famous drama. The answer is Jibon Theke Neya is a legendary film. Number E, Johir dreams was neglected, incomplete, fulfilled, ignored. The answer is Johir dreams was incomplete. Number F, the procession of 21st February in 1952 was prohibited, permitted, against Bangladesh, in favor of Urdu. The procession of 21st February in 1952 was, the correct answer is prohibited. Number G, which documentary contributed a lot to create support in favor of Bangladesh? It's a very easy answer. Jibon Theke Neya, Stop Genocide, Joy Jatra, Guerrilla. The documentary was Stop Genocide. The correct answer is Stop Genocide. What kind of society was expected by Johir Raihan? Autocratic, tyrannical, democratic, dependent. The correct answer is he always wanted a democratic society. The answer is democratic. He had dreamed of our Ekushe book fair, film industry, cottage industry, jute industry. The correct answer is he had dreamed of our film industry. Number J, who helped the Pakistani army to kill Shahidullah Kaiser? Who helped the Pakistani army to kill Shahidullah Kaiser? The option is foreign people, government people, family members, local collaborators, or local people. The correct answer is local collaborators or local people. Dear students, now I am going to introduce you some of the questions. The first one is, who was Johir Raihan? What did he dream all through his life? Number 3, why was he taken to prison? Number 4, what was the role of Johir Raihan's documentary Stop Genocide? Number 5, what did the film Jibon Theke Neya present? Number 6, why is Johir Raihan considered a freedom fighter? And number 7, why did Johir leave home? Now I am going to make you answer. The first one is, who was Johir Raihan? In the meantime, you have learned about Johir Raihan. Johir Raihan was one of the most talented filmmakers in Bangladesh. Johir Raihan was one of the most talented filmmakers in Bangladesh, as well as a freedom fighter, who was missing at the time of our liberation war and never returned home. Number 2, what did he dream all through his life? The answer is, all through his life he dreamed for a democratic society that will ensure freedom of speech and will. Question number 3, why was he taken to prison? The answer is, he was taken to prison because he joined the procession on 21st February 1952 despite a ban on Shah's activities. Question number 4, what was the role of Johir Raihan's documentary Stop Genocide? The answer is his documentary Stop Genocide played a very important role to create war sentiment in favor of our liberation war. Question number 5. What did the film Jibon Theke Neya present? The answer is the film Jibon Theke Neya presented a family which was the miniature of East Pakistan ruled by an autocrat. I repeat the question number 5 and its answer. What did the film Jibon Theke Neya present? The film Jibon Theke Neya presented a family which was the miniature of Pakistan ruled by an autocrat. Question number 6. Why is Zohir Raihan considered a freedom fighter? A very easy answer. The answer is Zohir Raihan is considered a freedom fighter because he joined the War of Liberation War in 1971. Question number 7. Why did Zohir leave home? Zohir left home to get his missing brother Shahidullah Kaisar back, but he never returned. I repeat the answer. Question number 7. Zohir left home to get his missing brother Shahidullah Kaisar back, but he never returned. Dear students, you have learned about one of our great men, a freedom fighter, a filmmaker who took part in the mass movement, who took part in the language movement as well, our beloved Zohir Raihan. I think this is a very important topic for next SSC exam. I would like to ask you to practice it in your home with some model questions. You will be able to do good in the exam. Dear students, we all know we are passing a pandemic situation, so stay safe, love the country, love the creation. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching my online class. Allah Hafiz.